New BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe 2023, Facelift. The 8 Series Gran Coupe gets a light styling revive for 2023 that incorporates a modified front guard, a changed grille with standard enlightenment, new wheel plans, and a refreshed variety range. The car's inside is upgraded by a bigger, 12.3-inch infotainment show. The Alpina B8 model returns for 2023 with comparable styling upgrades as the standard vehicle. Another 8X Jeff Koons model is accessible in extremely restricted numbers. It costs an eye-popping $350,995, and highlights a unique outside paint treatment and a custom-fitted inside styled by the popular American craftsman.